Okay, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Uh, this is Dr. Amanto. I hope that you have learned the alphabet and practice, and now you are ready for the first lesson. The first lesson will be basic, and I'm going to introduce to you uh, the first and the most important verbs that we use in German and in other languages. Any other languages, we use these verbs. They are the high frequency verbs, and we use in basic sentences. Um, uh, this session, we are going to talk about introduction, self introduction, and how we greet and how we introduce ourselves or how we get the information from the person we get to know. Hello is the same like in English. Hello, this is a bit hello, or hello, both are correct. And ich bin, ich means I, and bin, ich bin means I am. So ich is I, bin means am. So ich bin. Ich bin means I am. So you introduce, for example, hello, ich bin Dr. Amanto. Hello, ich bin Amanto. Okay? Ich bin Jack. Ich bin John. Ich bin anyone. You can put your name here. Hello, ich bin Amanto. So, äh, Begrüßung und Vorstellung. Begrüßen means a greeting, and Vorstellung or Vorstellen means introducing. These are nouns like Begrüßung means greeting, and Vorstellung means introduction or introducing yourself. Look at these first initial words that I have taken from this mention book. I don't know if copyright is going to block this page or not. Just that is something we have to wait and see. If it is blocked, then I will re-edit and republish it. In this picture, you see two people are passing by each other, so they say hello. So hello is a very common word for greeting. We use hello. Hello is more friendly. You can use also in formal context, like hello. You say hello to someone, you wave. And Guten Tag. Guten Tag is good day. Now we don't use for morning only, we use for daytime, like Guten Tag. Whenever you see the person, say hello, Guten Tag. Hello, Guten Tag. Hello, good day. So, Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen is here. Good morning. Morgen. We don't say morgen or morgen. In Austria, you may hear morgen, like Hitler, but morgen, like more in British than American. American we say Morgan, like, but in British we say Morgan. So it is more like British, the European language anyway, German. So they speak more like British than Americans. So Guten Morgen is good morning. So you can mix these together, like hello, Guten Morgen, hello, guten Tag. Okay, hello, Guten Tag, hello, Guten Morgen. Guten Abend means good evening. This is for evening time. So these are for greeting all. You can say hello, guten Morgen, hallo, guten Abend, if this mean evening time. So hello, guten Abend, good evening is also used for uh, evening time for greeting. So hello, repeat after me, please. Hello, guten Tag, guten Morgen, guten Morgen, the guten Abend, guten Abend. When we write D sound, but when we pronounce it, it changes to T sound, T. Like guten Abend, not Abend. So guten Abend, guten Abend. Tag also, when we pronounce, we write as Tag, but we pronounce as Tak. It is glottal. The guten Tag, guten Abend. In spoken, changes to hard sound. T and D. Gute Nacht. It is night. This is for more for saying goodbye. It means you are separating. You are saying farewell. Right. So we say gute Nacht. We don't say guten. We say gute. This is a bit different. This difference comes from the accusative form that later we will talk about. So gute Nacht means good night. Here is guten, guten Tag, guten Morgen, guten Abend, because these are articles are masculine. Here the article is feminine, that later you will learn. So the accusative form becomes gute Nacht. So now you don't pay attention to these details. They are not that much important for the time being. Try to learn just through repetition the patterns. So gute Nacht, good night. Tschüss, tschüss. This sound, we talked about U sound, umlaut. So T, sh together becomes ch, like tschüss. Tschüss, we use as hello, we use as goodbye. So both cases we use. When you see somebody, you can say tschüss, hello, tschüss, or you can say tschüss, saying goodbye. You are separating, you are going away. And also auf Wiedersehen, auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen means also goodbye, but this is formal. This one is informal. Tschüss we use more for our friends, and auf Wiedersehen we use for formal cases. So please repeat these after me again. Gute Nacht. Tschüss. Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. So wieder means again. Sehen means see, to see. So Wiedersehen means see you again, like seeing again. Okay, here we have the first verb that is one of the essential and the most important verbs that we use in everyday introduction, conversations, and dialogues. That is heißen. Heißen. Heißen means to call or to name or to be named more. More to be named, to be called, like heißen. Heißen, to give name to something, right? So ich heiße, I conjugate here, I heiße. Ich heiße means I am called, means my name is. If you want to talk about your name, you want to introduce yourself, you can use this ich heiße. This sound, as you remember from alphabet, this is SZ sound that is more pronounced as so. Ich heiße, my name is, or I'm called. Ich heiße Amanto. Du heißt means your name is. Du heißt John, for example. Du heißt Anna, for example. Your name is. Er, er is the same he. Sie is she. Es is it. We use for not just for objects, we use also for human beings, like das Kind, the child, das Mädchen, for girls, young girls. So we use das. Das is the same as. Later you will learn about the articles. You will see that das article changes to pronoun es. So we use er more. We write er, sie, es heißt. We want to talk about third person, like heißt. His name is. Heißt Jack. Sie heißt Elizabeth. Es, about the girls or children, we can say es heißt Jack, es heißt John. Right? Then wir means we. Like English, it is very similar to English. You know, they have the same root. They are Anglo-Saxon in English. Comes from the same source, because they are the same Scandinavian languages, Germanic languages. So we heißen our name is not name. Our names sometimes mixing, interfere two languages. When you speak more than one language, the language sometimes can interfere. So we heißen means my name and our name. Our name is. Our names are. It's better we say. Our names are. Or you can also use for a family name, surname. So you can say we heißen, or our name, family name is something like we heißen Jeff. We heißen Anna und Johann, two people wir heißen. Our names are like this. Ihr heißt is compared with du. Du means you, one person. But as in Old English we say thou, that is the same. But ihr, the pronunciation is ihr. We write as ihr, but we pronounce as ihr. That R at the end usually turns into schwa. So ihr heißt, your names are, or you're called like this way. It's plural. When the one person is du heißt, when 2, 3, 4, 5 people, we use ihr heißt, means your names are, you are called this way. Your names are. Ihr heißt Anna und Johann. Ihr heißt Anna und Johann. Anna und means and. Anna und Johann. Ihr heißt Anna und Johann. Sie und sie with small s, lowercase, is used for they, and Z with capital uppercase is used for you, but formal. When you use you for formal, we use Z. So we have three U's here. One U, do, is do. You means one person. Ihr is used for plural people, but is not formal, is not respecting, polite, is normal. But Z with capital is you, but formal and more polite. Okay, so Z hyphen means it can be in the context. From the context we know, actually, in the context it is shown that Z hyphen is with lowercase, means they are called or their name is, or their names are, and Z hyphen with capital this um, can mean you are called. Sie heißen Johann. Sie heißen, normally when you use this uppercase, formal Sie, we use surname, the first name. So we say, for example, Sie heißen Herr Müller. Sie heißen Müller. Or Sie heißen Johann. Right? Also, you can use the first name, but it's formal. You have to be careful about. Okay, greeting. So repeat, please. After me this, ich heiße Amanto. Du heißt, ja, Anna, Johann. Er heißt Jack. Sie heißt Anna. Er heißt Johann. Sie heißt Anna. Und es heißt, we can use for children, es heißt Johann. Wir heißen, ihr heißt, sie heißen, sie heißen. Okay, you can put your names or different people's names in front of them and make these questions. That later we will talk about the conjugation and these suffixes that we use in verbs. Wie heißen Sie? Wie heißen Sie? It is used for asking the name. It is used to ask the name of the person. Wie heißen Sie? What is your name? How are you called? Right? Wie heißen Sie? I answer, ich heiße Amanto. Okay, so when I ask you, wie heißen Sie? What is your name? So you can answer with ich heiße, okay? Wie heißen Sie? Mhm. Wie heißen Sie? Okay. Wie heiße, ich heiße Karl. Wie heißen Sie? The answer, ich heiße Karl. Ich heiße Amanto. Wie heißt du? Wie heißt du is used for one person and in intimate cases, like for our friends, the family members, for example, the person we know, friendly. It is not formal case. In informal situations, we use wie heißt du? Wie heißt du? What is your name? So again, ich heiße Amanto. I can say in informal cases, ich heiße Karl, the person says. Wer sind Sie? This is another question that we can ask about the name. Wer sind Sie? Means who are you? What is your name? Like this. Wer sind Sie? Ich bin Amanto. Wer sind Sie? Wie heißt du? Wie heißen Sie? All the same. Ich bin, but formality and informality is the difference here. Wer bist du? Informal case. Wer bist du? Ich bin Karl. Ich bin Amanto. Wer bist du? Another verb that today we are going to learn is sein. Sein is like to be in English. Sein is one of those fundamental and basic verbs that we use in most commonly used verb in English, in German, as in English that we use to be. Here also we use sein. Sein means the same to be. Okay, this is conjugated in this way. It is the most irregular one that we have in German is sein. Like in English, you see to be changes to am, is, are. So here also sein changes. Sein changes to ich bin. Ich bin, I am. You can use also this form to answer wie heißt du? Wie heißt du? Ich bin Amanto. Wer bist du? Ich bin Amanto. Okay? Then wir sind means we are. Wer, wie heißt ihr? Wie heißt ihr? Plural. So you can answer with this. Wir sind Anna und Johann. We are Anna and Johann. Du bist. Du bist. You are one person. As du heißt. Here also du bist. Du heißt. Your name is du bist. You are. Du bist Anna. Du bist. Ihr seid. Ihr. You plural. This side is single. This side is plural. Right? Singular, plural. So ihr seid. Ihr means you, 2, 4, 5 people. Seid, seid. You are. Er ist. Es ist. Sie ist. Er ist, he is. Es ist, it is. Sie ist, she is. So ist Johann. Ist. Es ist John. Sie ist Anna. Sie sind. Sie sind. Sie. Here also, as I earlier said, the D at the end is pronounced as T, like wir sind, ihr seid, like this. Sie sind. Sie sind Johann und Anna, zum Beispiel, for example. So now we practice this a little bit about these words, about these verbs. So, wie heißen Sie? Wie heißen Sie? With capital means you, right? Wie heißen Sie? Ich heiße Leo. Wie heißt du? Wie heißt du? Mein Name ist Leo. Mein Name ist Leo. My name is Leo. Mein means my. Name is name, the same. Mein Name ist Leo. My name is Leo. Wer bist du? Wer bist du? Who are you? What's your name? Ich bin Leo. Ich bin Leo. Okay. Next verb that is also important for asking and answering questions is kommen. Kommen. Kommen means to come. It is infinitive form here. that at the end. Komm, komm is the root, is the same to that we have in English. To come, it's a to, infinitive. This is the sign of infinitivity. Okay. Look at these suffixes here. I've made them in red color, that they are distinguished from the root. The root is fixed, you see. You remove this n from the end, and then you use this root, fixed for all, doesn't change. Just we add these suffixes to them. So komm, ich komme. For this first one, ich, we add e. Ich komme. Du kommst. Du kommst. Er, sie, es, three of them the same. Kommt. Er kommt. Sie kommt. Es kommt. Wir kommen. Like infinitive. Wir kommen. Ihr kommt. This is also like er, sie, es kommt. Ihr kommt. Sie und sie, these two Z's, you, formal, and also sie, they, sie und sie kommen. So sie kommen. Sie kommen. So how do we understand which kommt the text means? It is the context tells us. Kommt is used for ihr, is used for er, sie, es. So this, the context shows, and the pronoun shows. Pronoun is used always with verb. And sie, we have three Z's here. Sie kommt, this is sie kommt, sie kommt here, and the sie here. Sie kommen we have here. Sie kommt. So this is distinguished through the verb, and sie and sie here distinguished through the capital. So it is not very difficult to distinguish them because we use the pronouns usually with the verbs. If you look at here, komm plus n, kommen. This is the infinitive. Komme, these are fixed in all except some exceptions like sein, for example. All regular and irregular verbs, they use the same suffixes. Komma, is fixed, stable. So du kommst, kommst. Sie, es kommt, kommt. Wir kommen, ihr kommt. Sie und sie kommen. The question that we can make with kommen is woher. Woher means from where. Okay, wo means where. Er means from, that coming to me. The woher kommen Sie? Woher kommen Sie? Where are you from? Woher kommen Sie? The answer can be like this. Ich komme. I come, or I'm coming. Ich komme aus, from Deutschland. From Deutschland. So from the country that we come, we want to show the origin of the person. We use aus. Aus means from. So ich komme aus Deutschland. Ich komme aus Deutschland. Woher kommen Sie? Ich komme aus Deutschland. Ich komme aus England. Ich komme aus Österreich. Ich komme aus der Türkei. Ja? So aus and the country. Woher kommst du? Das ist informal. Woher kommen Sie? Woher kommst du? Woher kommst du? Ich komme aus Deutschland. Woher kommst du? Ich komme aus Österreich. Woher kommst du? Ich komme aus Frankreich. Ich komme aus dem Iran. Ich komme aus der Türkei. Ich komme aus der Schweiz. Those countries that have article, a few countries that have, we use article for a few countries actually. The most commonly used countries are Turkey, we use die Türkei, and Schweiz. Schweiz and Türkei, we use die Türkei, die Schweiz. Iran uses der, okay, der. These are because aus is a dative preposition. After that changes into dative. That later again we will talk about this dative. So when we have aus in the sentence, the name after that turns into dative. So we say aus dem Iran, aus der Schweiz, aus der Schweiz, aus der Türkei, der changes to der, aus der Schweiz, aus der Türkei, aus dem Iran. So, ich komme aus dem Iran. Ich komme aus der Schweiz. Ja, woher kommst du? Woher kommen Sie? Woher kommt ihr? The answer, ich komme aus dem Iran. Wir kommen aus der Schweiz. Wir kommen aus der Türkei. Wir kommen aus dem Iran. So, this way you can answer the origin. And the next verb is gehen. Gehen means to go. Exactly like reisen, like kommen. You see, ich gehe, we put at the end. Du gehst, du gehst. Es geht, geht. When you have this H, in one word, the vowel before it is lengthened, this becomes long sound, and this H is silent, like geht. We don't say get, we say geht, a bit longer. Ich gehe, schwa at the end. Ich gehe, du gehst, es geht, geht. Wir gehen, wir gehen. Ihr geht, Sie und sie gehen, Exactly, you see, these est, tn, they are exactly used in common heißen. This is repeated in conjugation of the words in simple present. Okay, look at the examples here. Die Beispiele. Ich gehe ins Kino. Ich gehe ins Kino. I go to the movies, the cinema. Ins Kino, into the cinema, as if I go to cinema. Geht zur Arbeit. He goes to work. zur Arbeit, to work. Geht zur Arbeit, zur Arbeit. Geht zur Arbeit. Geht zu Fuß. Zu Fuß means on foot, to go on foot. Geht zu Fuß. Es geht gut is used in daily conversation like greetings. Like es geht gut means everything is good, everything is going on well. So for greeting we use es geht gut. Verb comes to the beginning, then makes the question form like geht es gut? Also es geht gut. Geht es gut? Ja, es geht gut. How's it going? Is everything okay? Yeah, it is good. Is it okay? Es geht nicht gut. Doesn't go. Life doesn't go well. So it is not good. Everything is not good. Es geht nicht gut. Nicht makes it negative. Wie geht es? Wie geht es is in fact kind of informal way. We get, or we say short, we get means how's it, what's up, or how's it. Then you can answer like es geht gut, es geht nicht gut. Okay, in greetings again, when you use hello, hello, guten Tag, wie geht es dir means how are you, single person, and intimate, informal. So wie geht es dir? How are you? Wie geht es dir? Dir means how is life going to you or for you, to you. So dir. Es geht mir gut. Es geht mir gut means I am okay. It is good. Everything is okay. So wie geht's dir? Or wie geht es dir? Answer. Es geht mir gut. Mir geht es gut. Also, we can use this way. Mir geht es gut. Mir geht es gut. Und dir? Und dir? And you? Auch gut. Auch gut. Also good. Also well. I'm also good. Danke. Danke. Thank you. So, wie geht es dir? Auch gut. Danke. Tschüss. Goodbye. Or you can also in formal cases say Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. See when you see somebody. When you talk on the phone, you can say Auf Wiederhören. Auf Wiederhören. In later lessons we will have these expressions. Okay. Wie geht es Ihnen? Wie geht es dir is intimate and informal. Wie geht es Ihnen? Ihnen means you, formal. Wie geht es Ihnen? Okay, wie geht es Ihnen? Good, danke. You can answer like with this, a good danke. Danke can be answered with bitte. Bitte means welcome. Danke, thank you. Bitte, bitte, welcome. Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. Okay. I think for today it is enough. Practice these sentences watch a few times to practice, say after me, and repeat after me, and then uh, try to use with yourself the shadowing, or I don't know, kind of talking to yourself, speaking in order to speak. If you want to learn any language, if you want to speak, you have to speak. If you want to write, you have to start writing. So when you don't have any partner, when you don't have any friends, when you are living in a country, German is not spoken, so try to speak with yourself. Go in front of the mirror, talk to yourself, or talk to yourself in your mind, and also use your voice loud. Talk to yourself when you are alone. I don't care if they call you even crazy, because language learning needs practice. You need to practice. Otherwise, you will not start talking. Until next episode, that I will talk about the numbers, and then gradually we will use these verbs and the words that you learn to make some stories, and these stories we will use in picture descriptions and storytelling. That if you follow these episodes step by step, in near future you will be able to uh, describe a picture easily, or tell a story, or talk with a person, start speaking with a person about different topics. Until then, practice and take care of yourselves.